Dear students, we have to start a new chapter that is called trigonometry. It is totally new to you, like arithmetic progression. Up to class 9, you have not learned anything about trigonometry. So, you have to learn ABCD of trigonometry. We will discuss it elaborately. Before starting 8.1, you have to make some basic ideas about trigonometry. The detailed things are given in page number 174 and 175. To learn the basic trigonometric identities and ratios, you have to start in this way. Suppose ABC is a right angled triangle having right angle at B. So the side opposite to the right angle is always called hypotenuse. And when we take this angle, this is called base and this is called perpendicular. When take this angle, this will be perpendicular, this will be base. So base and perpendicular can be changed according to the angle what we are going to take. Yo base ho, yo perpendicular ho. Tara esto gore bane, yo bhai gayo base, yo bhai gayo perpendicular. Hypotenuse is always fixed. 90 degree ko opposite ma jo side cho, that is hypotenuse. So esto prakarle figure likhe bane, this is base, this is perpendicular. Yala esto ghumaya bane, this is base, this is perpendicular. Now to remember trigonometry, we have to remember one sentence. If you can remember the sentence, you can remember the ABCD of the trigonometry. There are so many sentences, you can search it at Google, but for more convenience, I am giving you one sentence. Some people have curly brown hair. Now I am changing here. Tan permanently black. Grammatically na hernu khali yaad rakhnu ko lagi yo mo already change gareko छु. Now what is this? S bato sign of an angle. First letter is P. P means perpendicular. H. This is P, perpendicular. This is H, hypotenuse. This is C. C means cos of an angle. This first letter is B. B bato base. First letter is H. H bato hypotenuse. Here tan, I have written it tan directly. Tan P bato perpendicular, black bato base. These are the three ratios. Other three ratios are cosec, sec, cot. We have to remember this SC. SC. Sin को cosec, sec को cos, और tan को cot आया. यो क्यों? Cosec is just reciprocal of sine, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sec opposite means reciprocal of cos, that is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. And remaining is cot, that is also reciprocal of tan, 1 by tan, that is base by perpendicular. These 6 things you have to remember, and all these 6 things can be, these 6 relations can be remembered by this one sentence. It is not grammatically correct, but to remember, you have to remember this sentence. Some people have curly brown hair, tan permanently black. I have changed this. उसको और कोही पाउँछ गुगलमा सर्च गर्यो भने एस साइन perpendicular people have H hypotenuse. यस्तो प्रकारले यो तीनटा रिलेसनशिप यो सेन्टेन्समा छ र एससी शब्द याद राख्यो भने बाँकी तीनटा रेसियो पनि यसको जस्ट रेसिप्रोकल गरेर यु क्यान रिमेम्बर. दिस इज द बेसिक थिङ. यो याद गरेपछि हामीले चाहिँ भ्यालु निकाल्नु सक्छु. 8.1 पनि गर्नु सक्छु.